Without further ado, I'd like to welcome Colleen to the stage, and we can hear what London has to teach the rest of the world.
Thank you.
Colleen.
If education is about anything, it's about making sure that everyone, regardless of background, is given the chance to fulfil their potential and improve their life chances.
Today it was a very inspirational talk from Colleen, and especially bringing awareness of the diversity and all the richness that London has to offer. The key thing that really resonated to me was how finding that integration, how do we all integrate together and how do we make it work so it's we're successful all together.
It was really, really interesting to hear about diversity, inclusion and what London's got to offer the rest of the world, particularly in regards to integration and looking forward to the future.
I look at issues to do with equity and fairness differently because I'm like an outsider looking in. But I loved her approach because her approach was like an insider. She called herself an immigrant, but she's more like an insider. She's part of the establishment, and it was interesting to hear her perspective, and I learned a lot from that.